Hi, this is Murph. In this video, I'll show you how to hot add a virtual disk on a virtual machine running on KVM on CentOS 6.4, actually 6X variant. So, like ESX host, KVM also allows you to add hard drive while the VM's running. So I have this VM here. It's a CentOS base minimal install VM running. I'm just gonna log in here and actually should be root. Okay. So let's see here. Okay, so if I do a fdisk-l, I only have one disk, which is SDA1, which is an IDE disk. So if I click on I here, which is a virtual machine manager, I have this disk here that is already plugged in. So I'm just gonna add one more disk here. So let me open it up again here. Let me SSH to this box, that way it's gonna be better. I do it after peak, so as long as SSH is running, allowing root. Okay, I'm just gonna permit root SSH access. You know how to figure it out probably if you look it up. It's pretty simple. If I don't work on the console all the time, so I'm just gonna h192.168.2. And I forgot 177. Actually, I'm gonna do root. Login is root here on this side of my terminal here. Okay, so here, just gonna bring it here. Okay, clear screen df-h. So I have a one partition here, root, which is everything. It's a logical volume, and it's f disk L. I only have one disk. Okay, and if I do a dmessage, no, there is nothing there. No, last one. You see the last line here. So let's see. No. Okay. Let's do now add the hard disk here. To do that on a KVM, if you depending on what tool you use, I'm using the basic virtual machine manager, which is on the CentOS. You can install it if you look it up. So go to here, click on Add Hardware, and I'm going to choose Storage. And I'm not going to allocate all the disk storage here. Just going to give 8 GB is fine. Keep it default, and I'm going to use QCOW2. That's what I like. That's preferred. I prefer usually that. If your VM requires a lot of heavy I/O, then you can choose raw. You want a raw disk, but in this case, I'm just gonna be okay with QCOW2. QCOW2 finish. Okay. Okay, sorry. So in this case, I cannot do an ID disk. I'm just gonna do a Virtio disk. Okay. And then I'm going to choose QCOW2. I'm going to allocate, finish. Okay, that should do it. Now, if I do a dmessage, you see that I just got a disk detected here. Okay. Now, if I do a fdisk-l I see a new disk here /dev/vda. So now I can partition it if I want it, and I can make use of it and expand the volume. So let me just run a quick test here. Just gonna do a pv create. See if I can create this. Actually, I'm going to do a target. See here. Let me try Add disk. Add disk. Dev VDA. Okay, I'm gonna do a print. Nothing there. I'm gonna do a new partition, and it's gonna be primary partition 1. Default is 1. Fine. And I'm gonna choose a type. I'm gonna just do, type logical volume manager. I'm gonna use it as a logical volume. Okay, but to print, now I have the partition created, and I'm gonna write it. Okay, it's done. So now if I do a PV create, just to create a physical volume, it's gonna call video 1, and got created. I'm gonna do VG extend. Let me do VG display volume group 0, 0. Okay, so I'm just gonna do VG. Before I do that, I'm gonna do VG extend vol group, and then dev VDA1 extended. If I do VGS, I should see the new disk here already, and now I can just do TFNSA just to make sure that I have only 5.95 gigabyte available here for root. I'm just going to use the root, increase more space to this, this root directory, root partition. Sorry, and I'm just going to do a LV display just to see what we have. Sorry, I have a LV root. That's what I'm going to add. So I'm just going to do LV extend. Sorry, let me do VG display first. Okay, so I have 1922 to extend, and I have free 2047. I'm going to add this 2047. Okay, so I'm just going to do LV extend minus L plus 2047. That's the equal to the 8 gigabyte disk that we did. And then I'm going to do group LV root extended. Okay, so if I do a VG display, I don't have any more free extend available. It's all assigned to it, this whole volume group. And if I do a LV, I just assigned the whole capacity into the LV root. Let's see if I do LV display. I should be able to see this new disk size, but my root directory is still, partition is still same. So I'm just going to do a size to fs p dev mapper. Well, in this case, use this path here. Root. Okay, should be done pretty soon. Okay, there you go. Voila. So I have it done. So I just added a live VM. I just add a disk to a live VM on KVM. So KVM is powerful actually if you want to use it for free. Okay, enjoy. Thank you.